Transforming your space starts with Big Dog Dumpsters, the ultimate Cape Coral dumpster rental partner. Whether planning a major renovation, clearing out your garage, or embarking on a landscaping project, we've got the perfect dumpster waiting for you. Imagine effortlessly tossing out debris and clutter without the hassle of multiple trips to the landfill. We cater to every project's unique needs with our diverse range of sizes, from compact 10-yard bins to hefty containers for commercial endeavors. Our commitment to swift delivery and pickup ensures you'll never be left waiting, because your time is valuable. At Big Dog Dumpsters, we believe that waste disposal shouldn't be a headache but a breeze. Our friendly team is here to guide you through the process, helping you select the correct size and providing transparent pricing without any hidden fees. Picture this: a stress-free cleanup experience where you can focus on the exciting transformation of your space. We take pride in our outstanding customer service and reliability, ensuring that you have a seamless rental experience from start to finish. Ready to take the plunge and reclaim your space? Visit our website at www.dumpsterrentalcapecoralfl.com or give us a call at 743-244-3294. Let Big Dog Dumpsters handle the dirty work while you focus on turning your vision into reality. Join the growing number of satisfied customers who have discovered the ease and efficiency of renting from us. Your next project awaits. Let's make it happen together.